guys northeast.
I know. I really want to take a shot, but they're moving too much.
Yeah. They're using that hill for cover.
He's moving up. Whoa, he teleported. Hit.
I knocked him.
Oh.
Dead.
There's another one.
It is.
You cunt. Why are you shooting at me?
Here
Jeep
comes the
coming.
Jeep. Behind you, Jeep. Knock that dude.
After I body damage him. Where's the other one? I was getting shot from someone.
I don't
They
know.
kept going. They kept going. They left him.
Oh, he knocked off my fucking helmet. I just got that motherfucker.
Just got your brand new helmet.
I know. It's all happy and shit.
They revived each other, and they're
Wait,
on their
they're
belly.
on it.
North 15.
What are you speaking to me?
Knock him again.
I don't know, should we just go? We're wasting a lot of time.
I want to make
I
sure.
mean, unless we can secure these kills.
They're just reviving each other. We can roll up on them.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. If you want to get in the car, we can roll up on the higher hill on the right.
Oh, right here. In the grass, snaking.
Oh,
Nice.
there's more. That was like one of their teammates, maybe.
He has any guns?
And outside tax stop.
I need a sight.
That shit.
Probably why they sent him. Oh wait, there's a guy at the shit shack, 105 east. Two guys, I think, or one guy.
Oh yeah, one's leaving.
No,
Two leave.
there's one guy at the rock, I think. Yeah, no,
Yeah.
two guys at the rock.
Oh my
I don't
god,
have
why is
anything
my...
to shoot him with. They're behind them.
I mean, we're wasting a lot of time surfacing it too.
Yeah,
Yeah, you want to get in our vehicle?
I'm going in. I mean, all I really have is a fucking UMP. Oh, oh, they blew out our tire.
Damn
You good?
Yeah, they did.
it. Back
Oh,
right.
Back running, boy. As long as we be in the circle, we win.
Dad, watch this compound ahead of us.
Yeah, there was two teams that drove this direction.
Got
Yeah,
connected.
yeah, on my right.
Buggy behind us.
Yeah. They stopped.
Oh, they got out. They got out. Keep moving. Keep moving.
There's a car 90. Keep that.
Top of the smoke.
Don't walk straight.
Smoke's
Yeah.
behind us.
Oh, did we pop the buggy side of it?
No, we didn't.
Oh, they still have it.
Gas is coming.
Yeah, pop it.
There's a team coming out
one?
of the compounds in the yellow. East, I mean 210. There's a team that's coming out of it. These compounds. They were 210. He's looking at us. He's looking at us.
Okay, I got a boost.
Southwest 210.
Is he like down the hill or?
No. He's on. He's actually next to the house.
Oh, I see him.
Far house. The only house that's in the green. I mean the blue zone. Take two.
Knock.
Yeah.
I'm
There's
watching
one
the
more.
guy.
He's standing. He's still there. He'd be right here if you guys don't.
Guys, north 345 at a buggy.
Is that the team?
It's
The
them.
buggy team?
That's the buggy team.
Yeah.
Knocked one out.
Or buggy.
Two down.
Killed him. I killed him.
Nice.
This whole squad's down. They're all dead.
Okay.
Alright.
Nice work, guys. Good play.
Uh-huh.
Coming to you guys.
Hey,
You also have a
level
jeep.
3 helmet.
How do these fuckers have meds? What is this
Just level
shit?
3 helmet. Take his helmet.
Coming for that helmet. Unless you want it.
Any of them have
I got
sights?
They have a 2x and red dots.
I'll take a 2x.
I don't care. You guys choose. I just need their meds. I literally have no meds.
Let's see, what do I need? What do
Yeah, I don't
need?
either. I'm like light on shit.
I'm fighting
Take
this
a
game.
four
No
red.
homo. Alright. Well. How fucked up is this?
Yeah, this is a weird game.
Fucked up. So we should probably take that fight. Split 2-2. Split 2-2.
Does anyone
No
have
way this
two
one
times?
has
Blown up, dude.
I have a 4.
I have ass guess. Oh, but you already have a sniper. Okay, what are we doing?
Split.
Getting you. Alright.
Where are we going?
This Jeep's most likely gonna blow up.
Probably.
In which case,
Especially when you run it off the cliff.
Just go to the board. Don't even rubber band do the circle. Well, it's gonna be open field. We're gonna pass the compound.
We passed
stick
it.
to our left. It's all.
Yeah, stay to the left on these hills.
Yeah, just stay left. Stay behind the UAZ if you can, on its left side, because that. We're in a shit bike.
We're no better. I can't say we're better. Remember. This thing will blow, so don't stay too long.
I'm using you for bait.
I'm just trying to get in the circle on the other side.
Alright, we're good. We're good. Stop.
No.
That's a lot of open field. I'm not even
Uh-huh.
right there. Use the hill to keep you safe from open field.
Press SMG. Anyone need it?
For what?
Press SMG.
Does anyone have any bandages or something?
I don't even have anything to heal.
Okay. All I have is one first aid, one painkiller.
And then me, I got 3 bandages.
Alright.
Where was it?
I dropped it somewhere on the floor.
Okay.
Yeah, sorry.
Oh.
I'm actually not quite sure where.
Up here.
Yeah.
Open field, but there's a mountain, huh?
Should probably cross through that compound. Cross through the compound to the mountain.
There's a fresh UAZ, southwest 210.
Some gunfire northwest, probably on the hill. Seems already.
Do we need another vehicle?
Probably, it's open.
I mean,
field.
in a field, you don't want to be running, I guess.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a
The problem is if we go down that road, we might get dumped on from the opposite. I'm gonna test it out. Seems safe. I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna drive it straight to our.
I didn't go past you. I'll use this compound for cover to cross.
Guy crossing the road. Ahead of us, straight ahead of us, Feelmer.
I see him.
I see him. It's far away. Noted though.
There's also a guy running back towards you guys, south, 210, on the hills.
Guy coming right up on you guys.
He's right in front of me. He's right in front of me. Hit him. Hit him once.
This thing's out of gas.
He's behind the tree.
Oh shit.
You get him?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
He's
He's dead. He's dead.
Another guy.
One more
I see
guy. I see
one.
him.
Yeah.
Dead. Knocked out.
You got him?
Nice.
Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Insta dead.
Is that it?
No, knocked out.
Okay, here's another team.
You dare try to K98.
This guy has a 4x scope if anyone needs it.
I want it. Does anyone want the 8 times?
I'll take an
Yeah.
8 times on the car.
Alright, I'm dropping the 8 times. I need a red dot.
I got one.
Oh, watch out!
Oh
watch out.
shit!
Oh, your
Behind
body's
us,
in the way.
behind us, behind us, behind us, behind us.
You sure?
Circle.
You find him?
Crawl to us, maybe? Crawl down the hill? I think that was behind us.
Yeah, he was the K.
Oh, he's... Fuck.
Shit.
Just go.
Circle.
Just
Circle.
go.
Oh, this blue zone's gonna hurt.
Where the
Yeah,
fuck was
someone
this?
chunk.
That guy didn't have that many meds either.
Should be coming in short.
Yeah.
Got a booster.
I gotta heal up real quick. All I have is a bandage.
I see a buggy west 285 coming in from the gas. What's our play here, boys?
I don't know, it's some. It's gonna be a crazy month.
Move up to you.
I'm buffing up before I go.
I'm gonna use a pain.
Who doesn't have first aid?
I don't have.
I'll give you.
I just need one bandage. You need toppers.
No, I'm good. I already buffed up before I move. My game plan is get up to this top foot.
Yeah, they're behind that top hill.
They're right here, west 285. One
Someone
lower,
else
one
has
left.
gas.
Ah,
Circle.
messy shot. They're still fighting people. One's upper hill though.
I see him. Down west 255, downhill.
Right, I see the lower. I don't see the upper.
Oh, one's at the triple at those septic tanks, those tall tanks.
Just 3 people, you said?
Uh,
The enemy.
Alright, I'm gonna come up. The gas is coming. They're gonna have to come to us.
There's a jeep to our right, north, but I don't know where the team is.
Here comes the gas.
Team is northeast. East.
That dude's still running the way that you're looking, Arcwerd. He was lit.
I know.
Alright, I'm safe.
Is that your
There's
guy?
many up right. He has to be many.
I see him, I see him. Got them both.
Nice play, Feelmer.
Okay.
Okay.
There should be a team here east.
I like being amongst good players. It's way better than watching my own shitty screen.
Boosting.
I don't know. It's not terrible for us. It's not terrible for them either.
Yeah, they're still east over the hill. That hump, I mean.
Oh yeah, here, right here. Let's make a nice situation.
I'm gonna wrap right.
I'm watching north right now.
I'm downhill. Downhill.
Fuck this. Fuck, what?
Actually, the field's open to us.
Knock. Knock two.
Where is it?
See him. They're all dead.
There's another team.
Yeah, they're at the compound.
Yeah.
I gotta come
Yeah,
again.
He's running.
Yeah.
Motorcycle. He drove past us on a motorcycle. There's a team of 2.
One guy on the field behind us.
Motorcycle's dead.
Headshot.
1-3-1. 3-1.
Wait, the guy Feelmer just killed his dad instantly.
Yeah, he died.
It's a 3-1.
Watching northwest right now.
Is the last guy the motorcycle man?
No, I killed him.
Okay.
He might be our northwest of us. Just stay close to each other.
Yeah,
He's
he's
more
probably
close,
he's
yeah.
probably in the field. Downhill.
Sure, we're all within each other's. That's my name.
It's your head.
That was mine. Yeah.
I might be playing that bottom ridge, Feelmer.
Yeah.
I'm watching southwest.
I see him.
Yep.
Dead.
Nice.
Nice work, guys.